everybody, what's good, what's fresh? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I post new videos. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. And I'm just starting by concealing the dark areas of my face so that way when I put on my foundation, everything is just like bam, perfect, you know what I mean? So I'm just taking some full coverage concealer, putting that all over the places where I want to conceal before putting on foundation, and then I'm just going to be blending that out with my Real Techniques sponge, as well as spraying it with a little bit of spray because I was too lazy to go get some water and wet it, but this works just the same. Now that we got that done, I'm going to be setting my eyelids with some light eyeshadow. I don't really remember what the name of this one is, but you can really use any light eyeshadow. I'm taking the Naked Heat palette. It's a really good palette. So if you want to use that, then I used those first few colors. And now I'm going to be taking a deeper shade just to, not that deep, but just to, you know, put it all over my crease, all over my lid, and blend that out as my transition shade. Now I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm going to be taking that right left hand corner shade. It's a red shade, and I'm going to be putting that on the outer corner of my lid and blending that out. You can really use any red eyeshadow that you have, but this is the one that I had, so this is the one that I'm using. Also taking that and putting that in the inner corner and blending that up as well, but leaving the middle blank. So now I'm taking that same concealer from before and I'm attempting to cut my crease. I'm not going to do it fully, but I'm just going to do it enough so that way it's noticeably cut and I have a blank canvas in the middle to work with to put on the shimmer shade in the center. just taking two different shimmer shades. One is more of a pinky rose shimmer, and the other one is more of a golden shimmer that will go directly in the middle, just to give it a little bit extra shine for y'all, okay? Now I'm just putting on some concealer. This is the NYX HD concealer. It's just in a lighter shade, so that way we can highlight the high points of our face. And I'm just blending that out with the same sponge that I used from before. And now I'm just going to put this Makeup Revolution banana powder on all the places that I just highlighted, as well as places that I tend to crease, like around my mouth and nose, and just put a little bit extra powder there so that way I can stay matte and fresh all day. Now we're going in to add some more color and structure to the face by contouring / bronzing, and I'm just using my Physicians Formula butter bronzer, and I'm just using a brush that I got from BH Cosmetics. Now I'm just spraying on some Mario Badescu spray just to set in all the powders and the makeup. Then I'm just going to be taking that same spray and a fan brush, and I'm going to be taking some Morphe highlighter and putting that on all the places that you want to highlight, you know, your cheekbones, your nose, little lips, okay? Gotta get that highlight popping so that we look bright and shiny and beautiful. And now I'm finishing off by putting on some lip liner. I don't really remember the exact shade, but it's just like a plum nude color. And I'm going to be putting that all over my lips, putting on some lip gloss, doing up my hair, and then I'll be back to show y'all the final result. Okay everybody, so this is the finished look. It's something that's kind of subtle, but kind of not. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you know when I post new videos, because more are on the way. I always say that, but it's true. It's true. So what y'all think, let me know down in the comments section below. And if you want to see more videos like this, like makeup based and like a little bit of bedazzled, then let me know by leaving a comment down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support, and I will see you guys in the next video.
You and me.